Hey guys, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and on today's video, we're going to be going over system-wide permissions. So this is basically going to allow you to choose who within your company can do what, can see what, who is assigning users or who is assigning leads, who's monitoring those leads, those quotes, everything like that. This is going to be a really quick and easy video for you guys to see firsthand how you can set up your company. The first thing that we're going to do is at the top right hand corner, we are going to go ahead and select settings. And we're going to look under global system settings here. We're going to see this and we're going to look up system permissions. This is a quick access link for you guys in your settings. If you didn't know how to do that, you can click settings, click the My Profile, and go over here to CRM settings if you'd like to get here the longer way. But we're trying to make it pretty easy for you guys here at Sensei. So just look for that system permissions here within the global settings option. So if you notice, we see system permissions here. We can actually choose basically who can see what, right? So the leads, who can see the leads? Just the lead owner or everyone? And if you drop these down for customers or quotes, you can see that the two options are the owner or everyone. And that's pretty cut and dry, black and white, one or all. But we get into then who can assign those leads, right? So if we scroll down just a little bit, who can change the lead/customer owners? Who can assign these leads? Do you want managers or do you want users? If you're unfamiliar with the difference between a manager and a user, make sure you check out our links in the bottom. We do have a user management video that has been created for you guys to see how to create a user, what you're going to allow them to do on an individual level. This is on a company-wide level. So this is how you change permissions on a company-wide level. So just make sure that you go to your settings, system permissions here, and then take a look at some of the options that we have shown here to make some changes that best reflect what you're trying to set up within your company. Guys, thank you so much for the support. My name is Chase. As always, we'd love to hear the feedback. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.